Understanding stale air, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, stale air. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both comprehension and conversation. So, let's get started. Stale air refers to air that is no longer fresh or pleasant to breathe. It typically lacks circulation and has been sitting in a closed space for a while. This air might have a musty or unpleasant odor and can often be found in rooms that haven't been ventilated for some time. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After returning from vacation, I opened the windows to get rid of the stale air in the house. 2. The meeting room was stuffy with stale air, making it hard to concentrate. These examples show how stale air is used to describe air quality in different indoor environments. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few related to stale air, musty air, unfresh air, stuffy air. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations. It's important to know when to use stale air. It's typically used in contexts related to indoor air quality, describing environments like rooms, cars, or buildings, talking about the need for ventilation or fresh air. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase stale air confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing new phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.